Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am also going to analyze my weekly forecast gold. Okay, now I am in daily chart gold. Now I am moved to the line chart. So now you can see the left side. I will forecast your mind for the left side, sell side, more liquidity area. I am marking the line this area. So last week gold moved to the upside strongly buy side. So now I am moved to the 4-hour chart for the analysis. Now I am marking this type of candle is occurred in last week. So I am marking this type of candle. So a small candle is continuing gold like this. So I am marking this type of candle. So I am in 4-hour chart. This candle is like a candle pattern is continuing this gold and break the candle for the downside. So this candle is has first one move, second move, third move, fourth and fifth move already completed this candle. So now break to the below downside for the this candle. Okay, so this area is more liquidity area. This is technically we call this strong support line. It's more I mark yellow color. This area has a more liquidity area. So I am forecasting. Now I am moved to the line chart also again. So this type of pattern, left shoulder, head, and continue to the right shoulder. It is a famous pattern, head and shoulder pattern. So I am forecasting gold is like this for the next week, is move to the downside and continuing break this support line and retest and continue to the downside. Is the my first predictions for the gold next week. Okay, my target is this line target is the first target, and then second target is the this area. So I am forecasting sell gold in next week. So you can analyze small time frames as well. Now my second forecasting is price move to like this. So like this, collect the downside liquidity and continue to the upside is my second forecasting. So more liquidity is a downside and collect to the downside liquidity and continue to the height. This area is the more predictive area for the get a confirmation and get a trade. This area is more marked to the marking this area circle, this area for the more attractive, more activity area for the get a trade. So you can focus this. I am marking this area circle, this area for the get a trade. So head and shoulder pattern is a famous pattern, and it is has a gone to the downside. Is I am marking this a circle area